Congratulations, seriously. You just invested in your financial future by getting access to the AI Legacy Blueprint Master Calculator or access to the ebooks and community. Most people never take that step. You did. But now I want to talk to you about something that can take your results even deeper. And honestly, it may be the difference between figuring it out on your own and finally breaking through financially. Because whether you like it or not, everyone's story is not the same and every financial situation is different. And that's where booking a strategy call with the Tax Extraordinaire Team comes in. Why? Because calculators show you the numbers, but our team shows you what those numbers mean for your life. Maybe you're here because you want tax planning help and you're wondering, did I miss out on credits the last few years? Should I go back and fix old returns? You're not alone. We see this every day. One client thought they were doing their taxes right. During a review, we found one box not checked resulted in $19,000 in missed credits from just 1 year. Don't leave thousands on the table. Maybe you come to us for business growth help. I started an LLC, but am I using it correctly? Am I writing off the right things? Should I start an S Corp or C Corp instead? We've helped business owners restructure, re-strategize, and reclaim money they didn't even know they were losing. Maybe it's mortgage help. I want to buy a home. Am I actually ready? What will the lender really look at? There is a first-time homebuyer's calculator within the app, but maybe you need more clarity. One conversation can save you years of confusion. Maybe it's budgeting or financial hardship help. My income and expenses are not adding up. I don't know if I'm paper rich or building wealth. We help you break it down piece by piece with a real, doable plan. Maybe you're a nonprofit founder. How do I stay compliant? Am I filing the right things? One mistake can shut down a nonprofit. One call can prevent it. Maybe you're exploring AI tools and automation. I want to use AI, even create an AI digital twin. But how do I use it in my business? Let us map it out for you. Maybe you want to prepare for the AI wave and need a virtual job training webinar workshop for your team, introducing AI tools and automation into your business. Maybe you need estate planning, life insurance, health, travel, mindset, or social media strategy. Or maybe you're looking at that calculator dashboard thinking, okay, I see everything, but what do I do right now? That's where we step in. Think about it like this. If you could spend $500 and in that 1 hour you discovered how to save $5,000, $10,000, $50,000 or more in taxes, credit hacks, business structure, AI help, or financial mistakes, would it be worth it? Of course it would. It's like paying $5 for a seed that grows into a $500 money tree. Smart people plant the seed. When you book a strategy call, here's what happens. We take the information from your calculators and build you a customized financial roadmap. We combine over 50 plus years of combined financial experience and AI-powered clarity, the real numbers you put into the calculators, and the goals you want to reach. You walk away with a proposal plus action plan that shows you exactly what to do next in every pillar that matters to you. This is where people get their biggest breakthroughs. This call is perfect for single moms, college students, new grads, retirees, entrepreneurs, creators, and influencers, W-2 earners, nurses, teachers, truck drivers, business owners, nonprofit founders, home buyers, landlords, Airbnb hosts, anyone living paycheck to paycheck, anyone starting over financially, anyone who wants to stop losing money and start getting ahead for real. If that's you, you already know what to do. Stop leaving money on the table. Now you have two options. Option one, go at it alone. You can absolutely use the master calculator by yourself. You can post questions in the community and you can figure out the next steps one by one. There's nothing wrong with that. Option two, build with us. Or you can get a professional, personalized, human-guided wealth strategy built by a certified AI wealth strategist and a tax expert with over 30 years of real-world experience. And finally, stop leaving money on the table. The choice is yours. One path is figure it out eventually. The other is figure it out today. If you want to take things to the next level with the Tax Extraordinaire Team, click the link below. Invest at least 1 hour in your financial future. Let's strategize. Let's save. Let's succeed together. Because when you know better, you build better. Let's build your legacy. Click the link below and book your call.